Hey, I'm Thomas, our Schwaben brand manager, and I have our pinch weld protectors here, and I want to show you the benefits of using them. I have our Schwaben wheel chalks here, Schwaben Pinch Weld Protectors, our Jack Stands, and also our pinch weld protector for BMWs. If you have a BMW, I recommend going ahead and pick this up. Our pinch weld protectors, they have a groove on the top to cradle any pinch style lift point on any car. They also have 2 grooves on the bottom to work perfectly with our jack stands. Now let me go ahead and actually show you how they're used on the car. We're at the rear of our slammed Mark 7 GTI here, and this car is so low that we're going to use our Schwaben low profile jack, and we also have our Schwaben pinch weld protector sitting on top of that. To identify where your pinch welds are at on the car, some cars will have little indentations on the rocker pointing directly to where they're at, but if you look underneath as well, along this side of the car, you can see that it's a thicker area right here, and we can identify that as our pinch weld. Once you do that, you can go ahead and slide the jack under, line it up with that pinch weld. And as you can see, as it comes up, the pinch weld protector starts to cradle that, and then you can go ahead and jack the car up without crushing it. So now that we've shown how to safely use our Schwaben pinch weld protectors, if you pick these up, please refer to your manual to safely jack up your car. All of these tools that we used here today are going to be linked in the description below. And while you're down there, please hit that subscribe button for more enthusiast content.